Yes guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, it is a special one. I have got the message and we are now on our way to pick up my new car. It's the new project that will be, spoiler, replacing the Focus, but I've probably already gone through that with you anyway. But anyway, we will be going all the way to the southest of the westest of the southwest just to pick up this car. And hopefully it's as good as it looks on camera, or as good as it looks in photos. And we'll be looking at it and hopefully purchasing it today. It's arguably the last of its kind and one of the best sounding of its kind. But yes, let's get into it. Okay boys, it is a different day and I'm gonna give you one quick hint, which I don't think you could definitely tell from this angle. Okay, let me show you what we've just bought. Okay, so before I reveal the car, boys, and you probably already know what it is, I'm going to give you a little bit of backstory. So obviously I looked around the car yesterday. I had to check out with the owner. We walked around the car, I had a look, and it is 90% of what he sort of said it was, and as good as he said it was. Basically, I looked at one previously, I looked at this one, and this one, the paint's amazing. It's in very good condition. It's just had a clutch, so it has been well maintained, and very expensive parts have been serviced. So I then drove it home. Everything was okay, absolutely faultlessly, and now I'm filming the video. I didn't want to film a video in his face while I was looking around the car. It felt a bit awkward. So I basically waited till today, the next day, and here we go, boys. I'm about to reveal what car I've purchased. And I'd argue it is the best sounding value for money car you can buy, other than the fuel economy. Right, let's get into it. So boys, here we go. This is what I have just bought. This is my new to me Audi S5. Now, I think one, absolutely stunning. I think in a perfect one, I might have gone for a white, but I do like, it's like a grey blue. Like, I don't know if you can see, like on camera, the colour is like this grey blue colour. Yeah, there you go, you can sort of see it there. It's a nice grey blue. It come with the private plate, which I was pretty thankful for. It's pretty cool. I mean, when he's selling it, you're not going to be able to sell the S5 plate to someone who doesn't have an S5. So quite inconvenient, makes more sense to sell it with the plate. If you're wondering, it is the V8 S5, not the V6 supercharged. So it is the V8, which is when you'd have heard that incredible sound when I turned it on during the intro. Yes, that is this car. So boys, what do you think? I absolutely love it. In the single drive I've had, and I do want to film a video of me driving on camera so you can sort of hear it and listen to it. And I'll take it for a quick drive and give you some sound clips, but this sounds amazing. I absolutely love it. So coming to the interior, it is red leather. It's the rare manual. It also has the optional extra start-stop button. I have my other camera there just to film a few clips in a second. But yes, it is the red S5 interior. These are heated. Backs and bottoms, which I didn't realise. I thought I was just getting heated backs. Turns out, heats your bum as well. Door card, very nice. I don't know what. It's got the infotainment system, obviously. I would say, obviously, it's not dated, because I actually think it holds up really well, the interior of the S5. But obviously, it is very different to what cars are nowadays. It's got the manual dash. It's done 105,000 miles. I'll turn it on. It does do a needle sweep, so it's clutch down, button, and it sounds absolutely fantastic. Right, I'll get you some sound clips outside the car, hold on. Right guys, so the camera's set up, I'd say about 15 meters away. It is now warm, so let me just give you a couple of revs. It sounds amazing. I mean, I've probably just burnt like £3 worth of fuel, but oh my God. Right, I'm just gonna turn it off and I'll show you the bonnet. I haven't even shown you under the bonnet yet. Oh, or the boot is massive, by the way. And I've not, hold on, capitulation. There we go. Right, so I'll get onto the niggly bits that are a little bit like I want perfect, basically. But engine bay, or engine, it needs a clean actually. Engine, there you go. It looks nice. Like, it is disgusting. Like, it's so dusty and dirty. So it's apparently been very well maintained, but it needs a good spruce. Luckily, I work at a valeter detailer, so this will get sorted, don't you worry. But yeah, so that is the engine bay. One of the things that is wrong with the car that I found out immediately, the bonnet strut is a little bit lazy. So if you don't realise, these bonnets, heavy. Also, that little ting, not a big fan of the plates. It's not the plates themselves. I don't mind metal press plates. I'd rather like plastic 3D ones or whatever. The number plates around, faded, not a big fan. And it's just a bit, So I might take, that's just, look, hold on. That's literally just broken as of, yeah. So, the headlights, which I don't know if you can tell too much on camera, a little bit faded. Do you see that? Like, it's just a little bit, see, like from over here, great. So yeah, so there's little bits and bobs that do need sorting. As you can also tell, whoever had it before has gloss black honeycomb fog grills, but then left the middle one like the grey S5. I actually, controversial, because a lot of people have told me to change it already, I like the grey S5 because that grill is only on an S5 grill. Do you know what I mean? Like, you can't get the S5 grill on a car that isn't an S5, which has the badge built into the grill. Like, I actually really like it, but the black fog lights don't match the grey grill on the grey blue car. But do I go for grey grills, or do I like gloss black the S5 grill, or do I just get a honeycomb? Leave your opinions in the comments below. Because it's the S5, it also comes with like the silver mirrors. I actually really like that as well. It's a nice little touch. It has got spacers, but it's not been lowered. So look, if I go side on, the fitment is actually pretty damn good. It's just a little bit of an arch gap, but honestly, the ride is so nice. I'm not really looking to lower it. I actually quite like it. It gives it like a respectable look. It's not slammed to the floor. I don't know. I might lower it in the future, but at the moment, I'm happy with it. Other little bits are a little bit unfortunate. You know, this little, I don't know what's happened there. That's damaged. Don't know why. The exhaust, actually, I like it. I actually prefer the twin pipe. So normally there's 2 and 2, where someone's converted it to like the RS4 style. But that one is ever so slightly droopier than that one. So that needs fixing. Look, if I come back out, can you see it's just a little bit low? Now, stuff like that really does my head in. They also need a good polish because they are quite dirty. But, yet again, minor things. Plates on the rear, they're metal. Probably want to change that. Oh, the tint. I've not even addressed the tint yet. Yeah, I don't know who put that on, but they can't do their job properly. What else are we looking at? I think that's most of the issues with it. You know, it's actually very, very good. Because it's, I think, an 07 or an 08. It's got the pre-LED tail lights. I would like the facelift them. Basically, there's a list of little bits to get the car perfect that we will go through and I will talk about in other videos. But for now, boys, this is my brand new, to me, S5 V8. Oh my God, driving it is amazing. I'll give you a couple little sound clips when I'm driving, but yeah, this is, I love it. I absolutely love it. I hope you've enjoyed, boys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.